Hello, friends. Welcome to AQYS YouTube channel. This session is another episode of our daily current affairs series. In today's session, we'll discuss about International Arbitration and Mediation Center. So recently, it was established, and it is located in Hyderabad. So this point is important for your upcoming prelims that this center is located in Hyderabad. Now, recently, the Chief Justice of India highlighted the importance of this center. He said this center will go a long way in resolving the disputes of investors. So, investors will be far more confident now. They would like to invest in our country. Why? Because they know that they have this international arbitration center and their disputes can be resolved in much faster way. Now, what is this arbitration? Arbitration means suppose there are two parties and these parties have some specific disputes. So, these parties do not want to visit any court. Why? Because they know that this will take a long period of time. So, rather, they appoint a third person, a neutral person. So, we can call this third person arbitrator. Now, this arbitrator will help these parties resolve their disputes. Okay. So, here there is no interference of any legal body, there is no interference of any court. So, this is known as arbitration. Now, this arbitration will improve the ease of doing business. Specifically, I'm talking about this center. This center will improve the ease of doing business. Why? Because investors will be far more confident now. Second, it will facilitate the faster resolution mechanism. So it will facilitate the faster resolution process. And third, we know that courts are already burdened with numerous cases. So with this center, now this will reduce the pendency of courts. Okay, so this will reduce the burden of courts. So these are some benefits of arbitration. Now he said one more thing. He said that mediation can be very effective in resolving the disputes. At home also we see how mediation helps in resolving the issues. So from prelims perspective, just remember it is located in Hyderabad. Just have little idea about arbitration as well. And from the mains perspective, you must be aware of the benefits of arbitration, that it improves the ease of doing business, it increases the confidence of investors, and it facilitates the dispute resolution process. And the last point, it reduces the burden of courts. So all these points are important, and I'm providing the notes. You can revise these notes, you can download this PPT, and if it is possible you can create your own notes as well. And if you do not have the time, you can simply use these notes, and these notes are enough as far as this news is concerned. So the main essence of this session is to make you understand about this arbitration process, and one important fact, that this center is located in Hyderabad. So that's all for today's session. I'll see you in the next session soon. And if you have liked our initiative, you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos. And you can also follow us on our social media platforms. We upload daily current affairs content on our various platforms. So you can follow us there. So that's all. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next session soon. Thank you.